What's up YouTube? Steven the Salon Guy here. You may recognize this haircut simply because it's literally the haircut every e-boy on the internet has. So what I want to do is I want to break this down for you guys and help you understand really what is going on with this type of haircut, because I get so many requests for haircuts with middle parts and how to grow your hair longer like this, or Leonardo DiCaprio haircuts, and it seems like a lot of people want to have their hair like this. So first of all, to get that, I guess, e-boy haircut, the first thing you need to do is you have to have the right texture. And let's talk about that right now. The ideal texture for this type of haircut is pretty much straight hair. It could be fine hair, it could be thick hair, it could be coarse hair, whatever it is. As long as you have straight hair, your hair is going to lay flat like this. It's not gonna have any curl, it's not gonna have any wave. If you do have wave or curl to your hair and you do want this type of style, well, guess what? You're gonna have to either blow dry it straight, which I have videos on, or get a relaxer or some sort of keratin type treatment, a chemical treatment which actually straightens your hair, right? Not permanently, only whatever is used on the hair, because remember, the hair grows, so you're gonna have new growth growing in of your curly hair. So it's never gonna be permanent forever. And if you have some sort of, whether it's frizzy or whatever it is, you have to blow dry and put some work into it in order to get this type of look. So ideally, I think to have this haircut, you need to have the front to about just past the nose or to the lip, and the front has to be longer, right? You need to cut it so that the hair, it's either perfectly even or it's just slightly longer in the front, because what's gonna happen is when you brush this back, it's gonna all blend in. If this is too short, it's gonna really ruin the style, because when you see a lot of these guys, their hair comes forward, it's actually coming down a little bit here, which is what's creating that kind of unique look. All right, here you've got a really cool undercut. Again, this is very e-boy or even some sort of scene, but the thing about this is that, yes, it's green, and I did have to bleach the hair and apply color over this, but we do have an undercut going on throughout the whole thing. But what's unique about these haircuts, and I noticed a lot of guys who have these haircuts, especially this e-boy type haircut, it's not shaved down to the skin or super short. You could probably use, I'd say like a number 3 guard, even number 4 guard, even maybe have it a little bit longer here. But as long as it's disconnected, that's the whole point of the entire haircut, is that the fact that it's disconnected and has like a soft little blend going into here, going shorter up to longer, and then the top will lay over it. The thing that's cool about this, that I do like, the fact that it's not like a skin tight kind of undercut where it's like a number 1 or a 0, is the fact that it looks so much more, it looks a lot softer, and it literally looks like you don't have an undercut. But what this does do, and how this can be helpful, is if you've got extremely thick hair, by removing all this bulk and this weight, it allows the hair to move a bit more freely. That's another little tip and trick for haircuts and stuff, is that when you get rid of the areas that it's heavy, guess what? It's gonna allow that hair to move a lot more. So you may want to consider getting something, and it doesn't have to be a buzz. As long as it's disconnected, right? Disconnected means it's complete, it's not blended from this point to this point. They're completely separate lengths, and they're obviously different lengths. So that is really an awesome option. Even if you're looking to change something up, you could have this about out to here, 3 inches, but as long as the top is a lot longer, it may actually be a good option for you. Big announcement, guys. Black Friday is pretty much around the corner, and I'm going to be doing 30% off my entire website, shop.thesalonguy.com, from Black Friday starting at midnight all the way through Cyber Monday at midnight. 30% off, no discount code needed. The discounts will be applied automatically. So we're trying something new, and I hope this is going to be awesome for you guys. We're trying to really do the best we can. Also, free shipping in the United States. Got even a new product that we're launching just in time for the weekend by Cyber Monday, and a lot going on. So definitely check it out, shop.thesalonguy.com, and let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this e-boy haircut video and you have a better understanding now of what's going on. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with The Salon Guy.